This video will teach you how to install the wire feeder. Put a sponge in the back of the machine. Installing the wheels. Use a 3 mm hex wrench to loosen these screws. Align the screw holes and tighten the screws one by one. Install the bottom wheel in the same way as the upper one. Wheel installation completed. Plug in the power cord. Confirm that the wire feeder voltage is correct. Turn on the power switch. Click a BC. Click Manual Wire Feeding. The wire feed wheel is rotating. Click Manual Wire Retract. The wire retract wheel is rotating. Click Manual Wire Feeding. The wire feeder wheel is turning. Click Manual Wire Retract. The wire feeder wheel is turning. Indicates that the wire feeder is running well. Remove the door covers on both sides. Installation of welding wires. Take out the wire wheel and confirm the size of the groove. 1.6 V corresponds to the inner groove. This one is 2.0 volts. Now we're installing 1.6 volts welding wire. So 1.6 volts towards the outside. Aligning the slot. Installation method is the same. Use an 8 mm hex wrench to turn this screw clockwise, about 2 to 3 turns. Aligning the slot. Adjust the feeder wire to tilt downward. The welding wire is in the slot position and then locked. .6 volts solder wire adjusted to 3. Click A. Click manual wire feeding. About 10 centimeters. Install the bottom welding wire. The installation method is the same. Click B. Click manual wire feeding. Install the other side welding wire. Click C. Click manual wire feeding. The first time you install the wire tube is straightened as much as possible. If you need bending, the bending radius shall not be less than 2 meters. This is the A tube. Loosen this screw. The brass nozzles must not touch the gears. Tighten the screw. Now install the B tube. Installation method is the same as for A tube. Now install the C tube. Click ABC. Click manual wire feeding. The length of the wire feed should be more than 20 centimeters. Now install the connector. A and B passes from underneath. C passes from above. Tighten the screws with a 2 mm hexagonal wrench. Now install the brass nozzle. Use a 4 mm hex wrench to install the bracket. Installation of welding nozzle. Install both side door covers. Installation complete. Thanks for watching.